Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to hide owner's name in Google Drive. So let's get started. First, open your Google Drive and select the file you want to share. Now give a right click and from the drop down menu select share. Once you click on the share button, you will see a pop-up window. Now, first thing is here you have to give general access. From the drop down menu, select anyone with the link and then click on copy link. Once the link is copied, go to your tab where you want to share your link and simply paste the link. Now, remove text until you reach the last slash, and now here you can write anything for hiding your name. And once it's done, hit on the enter button, or you can send this link to your fellow members, and that's it. You have hide your name successfully in Google Drive. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.